Hello guys, and welcome to a new tutorial. Today we're going to learn a new topic and you're going to make a research about this, environmental issues. So to start with, you know what is the environment, is the place in which we live in, right? And today we're going to learn what is an issue. Issues are the main problems, the things that need to be solved, okay? So what are the main problems on the environment? Today we're going to learn the main 4. And this is going to prepare you for our next topic on next week on language class. So go to Classroom and open the document, Tutorial 4. You will see this document, Environmental Issues. On the first part, a glossary to fill in, to complete, and on the second part, a paragraph. So let me help you out on how to fill the first part. We have the words, the issues, the environmental issues, desertification, coastal flooding. You know what is a flooding because you already researched what is a flood, acid rain, and greenhouse gas. So what you have to do is look for a definition in the dictionary and copy it here. Insert a picture, and lastly, write an example with the word. So let's see. The definition I found for desertification is: it is the process by which natural or human causes reduce the biological productivity of drylands. This means the earth stops producing natural resources. Picture. What you're going to do is you're going to click on Insert, Image, and then search the web. It will open this on the right side, and there you write the word you're looking for. In my case, desertification. And this is how it looks. Okay. Wait. Here. So, okay, this is a good example because it looks all dry. I'm going to move it right there. And there you go. And now the example. My example is going to be one of the main causes for desertification is climate change. And I'm going to underline the word desertification. Now you have to do the same and research about coastal flooding, acid rain, and greenhouse gas. When you finish filling everything in this chart, in this glossary, you're going to move to part number 2. Okay, the paragraph. Instructions. Write a paragraph describing one of the environmental issues of the previous chart. That means that you have to choose one. The one you prefer, this one or this one or this one or this one. Answer the following questions. What does it consist of? Why does it happen? Where does it happen? What can I do about it? Also, add any extra information you find. You must, okay guys, you must use your own words and minimum 10 lines. That means that you're going to erase this and you're going to start. The certification is a long-term process which and you are going to write a full paragraph with minimum 10 lines. That means I need to count here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 10. It's going to be a long paragraph. And also you have to answer these questions. If you want to add extra information, perfect. I want to see the 10 lines. When you finish, you just submit it. Okay, it will appear here. And this is your tutorial. Okay, I wish you the best. Good luck and see you in class.